you're looking for a high-performance business mini PC, SER3 is a great choice. Powered by powerful processor, its wonderful performance is more than you can imagine. DDR4 offers greater data integrity and lower power consumption. Enjoy faster read-write speed with NVMe SSD. With the heat pipe and the aluminum sheet, the cooling fan dissipates heat more smoothly. Unique design with large cooling mesh and metal casing for better heat dissipation. Using superb process to create metal polished cut edge, you can enjoy a premium quality. You can connect 3 displays at 4K simultaneously. It gets more convenient by reducing the number of screen switching. Powerful performance. PS and AI are supported. Is software commonly used in the office. Designed for light gaming, it offers better gaming fluidity. More professional quality. SER3 can bring you a unique experience.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!